Since we introduced the first generation, which was AirTrack in Japan, we've sold nearly 1 million Outlanders all over the world. Quite happy with that result. Nearly 1 million Outlanders, of which nearly 200,000 in Europe. So for us, Mitsubishi Motors Europe, that's quite a result. Good result in terms of sales, but also good results in terms of marketing, because this is with Outlander that we can sustain a good presence in the D segment in Europe. So now the big question is, how do we pass that million mark? How do we comply with those demanding times? And how do we reinvent that concept of mid-size crossover that has been successful to us? Enters the lateral thinking of our engineering colleagues in Okazaki and their quest for quality for a car of quality. And once again, when you hear quality from Mitsubishi, think engineering. Quality in this case, that's quality for the environment, quality for safety, and quality for the senses. All together. Let's start with the environment, which is, as you know, the big challenge today for all manufacturers. If you want your car to be more fuel efficient, more emission efficient, safer, roomier, better equipped, better appointed, more global, as we talk about now, and also include the provision from the start for plug-in hybrid drivetrain, as was the case for the new Outlander, we have to start and work very, very hard on your architecture. Especially if you want your new car to have exactly the same footprint as the previous car. There is no point of growing. You have to keep the car within the same footprint. So, taking Project Global, our mid-size architecture, as a starting point, our engineers came up with an all-new car, an all-new Outlander, which is lighter, sleeker, and roomier. Let's start with the weight, or the mass. The new Outlander is lighter by 100 kilo in average compared to the previous car. And you can imagine that 100 kilos, that's quite a lot. And it doesn't mean that we went to expensive, exotic materials. I mean, we're talking series production car that you or me could afford. They went through the whole concept, through the whole car, trying to shed weight wherever it was possible in a sensible way.